Hello, you guys, and welcome. Today, we are doing a dedicated video about a certain skincare brand that I have never tried. Now, this brand has been around since 1967. How have I never tried these products? I was like, I'm going to try these products out for myself and give you guys my honest opinion because this is not sponsored. I am just going to test these out. I've tried a couple of them, I will say. Let's get into it. So now they have a ton of different products. Like I was kind of overwhelmed when they told me to pick out some items. I was like, how? So I emailed them and I said, hey, I am mostly interested in anti-aging, So she gave me some ideas for that. So I have a little bit of everything. And then they did send me a few items that are like little sample sizes maybe to try out. So we will get into that as well. So I feel like if you have combo, dry, oily, sensitive, acne skin, like they have something for everyone. Aging. And I feel like the prices aren't bad. Their serums are right around $45, cleansers around $8 or $9, eye cream $20. I don't think these prices are bad. For what I've used very expensive items. So I think this price point is actually really good. So, all right, let's get into the items they did send me. We're gonna start with this one. So this is their lip mask with acai and vanilla, if I'm saying that right. Oh my gosh, don't come for me. So this is a hydrating lip treatment, and this, I'm gonna say it, guys. I love this thing. The smell reminds me of something from my childhood. I cannot remember what. It kind of smells like raspberry. It smells so good. I have been using this every day. I've been putting it on before bed. I've been using it like just throughout the day as well. But this is awesome. I like that it's a little bit thicker. I hate when I put on a lip mask and it like comes off. It's just like rubs off within minutes. This has a little bit of a lasting effect to it, and I really, really enjoy this. It says it's a vanilla scented overnight lip mask infused with peptides for supple, hydrated lips. And yes, I'm a fan of this. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, but they did give me a discount code if you guys are interested in trying these products. I will put everything down in the description box for you to check out. All right, the next thing in here, this is their glycolic eye cream. Now, this is to smooth, brighten, and renew. So it's the same little packaging that the lip mask came in. Okay, that feels really, really nice. That feels like a really nice and hydrating eye cream. It's not scented at all, which is nice. It's a rejuvenating glycolic acid eye cream for overnight under eye treatment against all visible signs of aging. So yes, please sign me up. Oh, so this one, it does say start by using 2 to 3 times per week and gradually increase to nightly. So definitely has some anti-aging benefits to it if they want you to start out kind of slow, because they probably don't want you to have like any irritation or dry it out or anything. All right, this product I actually have been using. This is their collagen moisturizer. It's a broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen. So this is just a nice daily moisturizer you can use in the morning, and it's got that SPF in it as well. This is a daytime collagen moisturizing SPF cream for year-round protection from sun's harmful effects. And it's formulated with collagen, cottonseed oil, rich in antioxidant vitamin E, and essential fatty acids to hydrate the skin to help increase elasticity, revealing softer, smoother, supple, and silky skin. All right, this one is the hydrating overnight mask with peptides. Now, I like anything that you can, like any kind of mask you could just wear overnight. I love that. Oh dear. Oh, this one looks this looks like yogurt. This totally looks like yogurt. Has a nice, you know what? It kind of smells like lavender, actually. This is a hydrating overnight mask infused with peptides and adaptogens for effective anti-aging treatment. It's a highly effective leave-on mask that improves skin elasticity, brightens, and visibly softens the complexion, all while you sleep. Literally, it looks like yogurt. Yeah, it has a nice lavender scent to it. So I feel like this will be really calming and really nice to wear at night. All right, this is the vitamin C serum. I was really excited to try this one. I've tried a couple other ones in the past and I didn't love them, mostly because of the scent. They can kind of have weird scents. Let's see what this one smells like. Okay, this one's clear. One of the other ones, no crazy scent. This actually smells like essential oils. I've tried one in the past that was kind of brown almost. And that just, yeah, that was weird. It's a lightweight anti-aging vitamin C serum to retexturize and promote a radiant, youthful looking complexion. So they do say, if you've ever used any vitamin C serum, they do say do not combine the vitamin C serum with AHA, glycolic, lactic, whatever, BHA, or retinols or retinoids, because that can really irritate the skin. So I am excited to try this one. I feel like with it being more clear, it feels really nice. That's a nice serum. That actually is like oily. So I'm going to definitely use this one at night because I don't know if my face would probably be way too shiny if I use that during the day. Okay, so those are the full-size products they sent me. Let's dig into what's in here. I haven't even looked at these, you guys. So there's 3 little items. This one is their herbal hydrating serum, and it's blue. That's so fun. So obviously this is a little sample, but you can get the 1 ounce for $30. This is a layer-friendly herbal hydrating serum for healthy facial on the go. It says it can be used alone or over a moisturizer for an extra boost of light hydration. I live somewhere where it's very dry, so I like to layer. Okay, this is thicker than a serum. Like this is thick. This is almost like a gel. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's like a gel. That's kind of cool. Oh, that feels so nice. Yeah, I'm surprised they call this a serum. This is thick. No scent, but super hydrating. I love that. Like I said, I live somewhere where it's very dry, so I'm always looking for super hydrating products. All right, what is this one? This is the AHA Botanical Body Soap. This is a body wash. Okay, cool. So this, like the full size one of this is 16 ounces for $15. It's specifically formulated to deliver brighter, softer, and smoother skin. It has a nice fresh scent to it. Showing a picture of grapefruit. Does it smell like grapefruit? I don't know. So this says it can help treat body blemishes. Use the AHA Botanical Body Soap with our special cleansing lotion to treat dry, bumpy skin. Use our papaya body lotion after showering to increase skin brightness and smoothness. Okay, so last but not least, they sent me a little sample of another eye cream. This is the olive eye cream. Cutest little packaging ever. So a full size of this one is 0.5 ounces, and that is $20. So this is a rich emollient olive infused eye cream to moisturize dry under eyes. I feel like this would be really good to wear in the morning, like before I put on makeup. So I'll probably use the other eye cream at night for anti-aging, and then this one I might put on before makeup just to make sure my under eyes are really nice and hydrated. Feels really nice. So far, I'm liking all these products. They all feel really nice, but like I said, I haven't been using them for a while. I have been using the lip one, and I do really like this one. But I'm excited to try these other products for some time and see how they react on my skin. I have tried so many different skincare products, so I'm excited to give these a try, and I'm shocked that I've never tried these before. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we will see you all in my next video. Bye.